Hello. We're working on the Leslie company question, and it involves a transfer between categories. So they've been holding Kaufman bonds that were in held to maturity category, and they are going to reclassify it to available for sale. This was being the security was being amortized using the effective interest rate method. Before we move it over to AFS category, we're going to post the last interest payment. So we're going to post the last interest payment first, and then we'll reclassify it after that. So we have cash that will be received in regard to this. So it's 100,000 is the face value of the bond, and it's at 8%. So times 8%, that's our amount that we are receiving. So we are receiving $8,000, and for the interest income, we're going to use the effective interest rate. So for the interest income, we take the last carrying value of the bond, which we're given as $107,023. So $107,023 times the effective interest rate of 7%. So we have a total of $7,491.65. With this, we can compute the amortization for the premium. So this was sold at a premium. That's why the value is still above 100,000. So for the premium, which means we are decreasing the value of the investment in held to maturity. So investment in held to maturity securities is going to be reduced by the amount of 8,000 minus the 7,491. So that gives us a total of $508.35. With that, we can now reclassify this. So we'll reclassify this from investment in held to maturity and put it in investment in available for sale. So investment in available for sale, we increase it by 107,023 minus the amortization amount. So we had 107,023 and 56 cents, and we just amortized it further. So we'll subtract 508.35 from it. Now it's down to $106,515.21. So this is what we are increasing investment in AFS securities by, and we remove it from investment in held to maturity. Investment in held to maturity debt security. So we are doing a debit to the HTM category for the same amount, $515.21. Additionally, we do have information that the quoted price of the bonds at this time is $105,000. So there is a decrease in value. So even though our book value is now 106, we do restate this to fair value on our balance sheet, since it's now an available for sale category, which is usually carried at fair value. So we are going to adjust it by, since it's reducing, we debit unrealized holding gain or loss on AFS or available for sale securities by the difference between this and the 105, and we credit allowance for change. So instead of decreasing the investment itself, we'll credit allowance for change in fair value. In fair value of available for sale securities. And the amount that we are doing this adjustment for is 106,515.21, and we subtract 105,000, which is the fair value as of this date. So the difference of 1,515.21 is what is our adjustment and also our balance in our allowance for change in fair value. So 1,515.21. We put a description that this is to record the decrease in fair value of available for sale security investment. So that concludes this question on the transfer between the two categories.